The relationship class started, last month, right? Last month, yes. I've been teaching on relationships in different places, video, online, free, but we started a paid class for the relationship class, and that started because some people asked some very dangerous questions, and I told them that you're not going to stress me. I'm not going to teach you now important things for free all the time. I'm not going to serious because I'm teaching them important things, and they will still be doing stupid nonsense in their relationship. I say no, be na fault now because they know they pay. So I can't tell them that they pay. And now we did the class last month, and it was amazing. So I told them, they said they want the class again, and I said, okay, every Friday now we're going to do it now. So every Friday, this Friday, the last Friday of this month is 27th. So this Friday in the evening, we'll start our relationship class from maybe 8 or 9. I will announce it. I'll keep announcing it. Me, I'm not a formal person, so I don't follow any curriculum. If you are a formal person and you want to come in and be asking stupid questions, keep your stupid self in your house. I don't have time for nonsense. I'm saying it now. Don't come here and come and be. I don't take nonsense in my classes, especially when you pay. I will deal with you very well. And I play a lot, so just know now. So when you come to the class, now so they play, now so they play well. So the class is going to be like 4 hours, 5 hours, it may be all night, as the case may be. If you ask serious question, and you don't come to my class and be my class, any of my classes, especially the one you pay money. If you don't pay, you can do any, I not concern me. If you come to any of my class, you are paying money. In fact, let me focus on this relationship class. Don't come to the class and say, excuse me, sir, what if a guy, me, I will not answer you. If you want to ask a question, I have one guy. There's this guy that is talking to me. There's this girl, one girl that I met. Don't come and give me some rhetorical question or hypothetical question. No. You must be specific. It's a secret class. So that class, I used to record it. There's no recording anywhere. If you're not in that class, you're not in the class. Case closed. Nobody's going to give you anything. So if you are joining the class, know that you are going to sit down. Prepare yourself. If you sleep off, now you want a cup of tea. So in that class, we address serious matters face to face. Some people used to cry. The last class, I was so angry. Somebody asked a question. I don't even remember that question. I was mad. Like, are you Jesus Christ, refuse. Calm down. Let me sound like my pastor. My pastor says, when he's angry, he say, Holy Ghost, sit on me. Holy Ghost, sit on me. I was angry. Are you high? Yeah, so we asked serious questions. So I made somebody cry in the last relationship class, and I made somebody break up from their relationship also. I'm not joking. No, but I was very angry. That question made me mad. And the person was trying to justify. Are you crazy? What did you think you came here to do? You think I came here to pamper you? This is wrong. What you have done is wrong. You are trying to justify. What are you justifying? Now you have lost the relationship. And I'm telling you the correct thing. You argue with me. I was not happy doing that. I was not happy. So that class, and I used to say some things in that class, very vulnerable things. So it's a relationship class, and for those of you who like to spy me, who like to see what they do, say who will enter in class, and you can come to that class and come and see what we are doing. So it's every Friday, not every Friday, every last Friday. So on the 27th, I'll keep announcing it every day. You'll be hearing me announcing it, talking about it on the 27th of June 20. Let me look at this camera. So what I'm saying is that on the 27th of this month, in the evening, on Friday, we're going to be having a relationship class. And it may last for 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, or all throughout the night, as the case may be. So if you're interested in the class, do send me a DM. Starting from tomorrow, send me a DM for the relationship class. Yes. All right, that's that. And let me move to enjoy myself for the night.